We believe in simplicity. In the digital age with vast amounts of data, we felt that a piece was missing. A monitoring software for the DALI interface that fits in the palm of your hand. We call it TREBOR DALI Visualizer. By using the digital blueprints as a base, our software automatically generates the signals database, eliminating the need for on-site programming. TREBOR DALI Visualizer lets you manage the whole lighting system on the go, reducing total operational costs by up to 70%. So don't complicate things. We have found a better way.